Elon Musk will never complete his mission to Mars, unless he'll get a little help.
Making Mars habitable wouldn't be easy.
NASA engineers are turning to AI to help design customized parts.
Elon Musk's vision for the future starts here.
Let's take a look at the situation of things, because if someone is really going to try to do it in our lifetime, it's going to be our friend Elon Musk. But in the current situation, no one has a launch vehicle capable of propelling a spacecraft large enough to transport humans all the way to Mars. While there are some vehicles in development, the fact that they are still in the development stage indicates that the technology is not yet fully established. Moreover, landing on Mars is no easy feat, and in case you don't know, no human has ever set foot on the planet. But for how long will that be the case? First, we'll look at some challenges. Because did you know that Mars has an extremely thin atmosphere, which is not as effective in slowing down spacecraft as Earth's atmosphere? If you're familiar with the Mars rover programs, you'll recall the various ingenious strategies employed to decelerate those rovers before landing. Gimmicks like the use of airbags and sky cranes. Even if we were to successfully land on Mars, we currently lack a suitable habitat that can sustain a crew for the duration of their stay. The journey to Mars itself takes approximately 7 months, covering a distance of about 300 million miles, 480 million kilometers. And there's an average transit time of about 115 days along with the return period. Currently, there is no spacecraft that can sustain astronauts for such extended durations without regular resupply from Earth. But what if we let AI help Elon a little bit? Artificial intelligence, AI, has improved our terrestrial living standards for decades. However, can't these computer algorithms be applied to applications beyond our planet? You might be wondering how AI can assist Elon in our space missions and interstellar exploration. Don't forget, AI consists of a set of computer programs designed to match the thinking of humans. This means AI can be used to build smart machines that can perform various tasks that would otherwise require humans and their intelligence to run, in some cases much faster than a team of humans. Now, to understand this better, imagine the possibility of sending a spaceship with robots to commence every necessary task needed to host us right there on the red planet. Sounds amazing, but does the richest person on Earth have enough money to sponsor this trip? Because an even bigger problem is the cost of providing life support systems for months on end while attempting to construct colonies on this red planet. Sending a human to Mars is 50 times more expensive than sending a robot. According to a reputable scientific author, the estimated cost of sending humans to Mars is $230 billion, compared to Perseverance's $2.75 billion price tag. That's just about 1/10 of the proposed human mission. And mind you, when talking of robots, it's worth noting that we don't have to worry about feeding them, providing oxygen, or meeting other needs like we would for humans. Robots can operate indefinitely. Moreover, we can conduct test runs using AI robots instead of risking human lives in the event of a crash. And when we've mastered a few things, plus enough facilities already in place over there on the red planet, then we can embark on our first crewed mission. Now, let's imagine this works out well. Our next concern would be, how do we sustain a crewed spacecraft for about 9 months on a trip from Earth to Mars? I recently discovered a broader field of AI known as natural language processing, NLP. This field focuses on programming computers to comprehend speech and text. Within NLP, there is yet a subfield called sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is the basis of a new type of AI called intelligence-based assistance, designed to support astronauts in their future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Science fiction fans may have concerns about astronauts encountering problems similar to HAL in the movie, but that shouldn't be a worry. Fail-safe mechanisms will be in place to prevent any potential issues. Honestly, the presence of these assistants will greatly benefit the crew. Something that these intelligence-based assistants will do is subscribe to our channel, so please take their example. And while you're at it, like this video so we can explore the galaxy even more with AI in the future. AI assistants will be used to understand and anticipate a crew's needs, including their mental health and emotions, and also help with emergencies. Moreover, these robots will help astronauts with difficult tasks, such as docking or landing the spacecraft and much more. Currently, NASA is working with SSL, formerly Space Systems Loral, to test how AI can be used to reach beyond our solar system. So, this exciting prospect could be a reality soon. Or what do you think, guys? I've got a feeling AI will be whisking us off to Mars before the end of this decade. Of course, I've got to dream big and be audacious with my goals, just like Elon Musk. Many organizations like NASA, the European Space Agency (ESA), and SpaceX are already leveraging AI to find new celestial objects and improve astronauts' lives in space. And with the mind-boggling pace at which AI is advancing, devising a means for AI to bring us to Mars shouldn't be a problem. How does that look like, I hear you think? NASA already built autonomous rovers, such as the Perseverance rover, that use AI to perform various missions. A few of these rovers are currently on Mars, and with artificial intelligence, they make accurate decisions without requiring permission from Earth's mission control. The possibilities of AI in space exploration are vast and exciting. For instance, AI-powered spacecraft could be used to explore the solar system and beyond, collect data, and conduct experiments that would otherwise be impossible. AI can be used to autonomously navigate and explore space, allowing for more efficient and cost-effective missions. AI can also be used to detect and analyze data from space, helping scientists to gain a better understanding of the universe. AI can likewise be used to identify and respond to potential threats, such as asteroids and other space debris. However, the use of AI-powered spacecraft also comes with some unique challenges. AI-powered spacecraft must be autonomous and able to recognize and respond to unexpected circumstances, which can be difficult to program. Also, an AI-powered spaceship must be able to operate independently for long periods of time, which can be a difficult feat to accomplish. Does that mean AI will replace astronauts? Of course, no, far from it. There's no doubt about it that in the coming decades, AI will surpass human capabilities in several areas, which will definitely lessen the need for astronauts, but not completely replace them. Another factor that ensures AI will never replace astronauts is our insatiable desire for exploration. We're just too curious to discover what lies beyond our outer space. The dangers of space travel are well known to astronauts. They know they have a 1 in 5 chance of dying during a mission, yet they are more than willing to accept the risk. Thousands of people apply each time there's an opening for NASA space missions. When it comes to taking risks, we're a strange species, and the exact reason why we put our lives on the line is still a mystery. It's like we are obsessed with space exploration. While it's not currently possible for anyone to live on Mars, many scientists believe that one day it could happen if we can solve some fundamental problems. Though these problems are fairly complex, such as adequate resources, the dangerous environment and extreme weather conditions, the toxic soil, and many more, we could come up with innovative solutions to solve some of the problems. The soil on Mars contains high levels of perchlorate, a type of salt that is very toxic to humans and plants. Also, the soil contains heavy metals such as lead and arsenic, which are likewise harmful to most living organisms. Unfortunately, these toxic substances make it difficult to grow things on Mars. But what if, with artificial intelligence, we could come up with better options? It is possible to build colonies on Mars using AI-powered robots. However, it's worth noting that building a colony on Mars might be a very complicated and challenging operation that would require extensive planning, huge resources, and advanced technology. This is the only way we will ever set our feet on Mars and the rest of the solar system. It will take a while, but we are getting there. This video took a lot of effort to make. I hope you liked it. Can you subscribe and watch the video in the top right corner? It will help you master AI.